Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2023 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a person who inspired you to do something interesting. You should say who is this person, what they inspired you to do, how they inspired you, and how you feel. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to make sure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. Alright, so before we look at a sample answer that I have created for you people, let's brainstorm a few ideas together. So you can talk about any person whom you think actually motivated you to do something. Maybe your parents, maybe your siblings, your brother, your sister, or even your teacher, or maybe your uncle whom you're close to. You can talk about any such kind of relations. So these are some of the ideas that I just came up with while I was reading the question. If you do have any other ideas, please do share in the comment box below. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. Alright, so let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you people. Inspiration plays a key role in our daily lives as it helps in unlocking creativity, increasing productivity, and boosting happiness. And today, I would like to speak about my mother who motivated me to learn the art of cooking. So, as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given a little bit of an introduction as well as clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to speak about. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that after the completion of my board examinations, I had ample amount of leisure time and was inclined towards developing new skills. So inclined towards means ready to learn, okay, willing to learn, showing some kind of willingness. Moreover, there was a function being held at my home, and in the 11th hour, the cook did not show up, and my mother was struggling to prepare meals for all the guests, as well as requested me to assist her in cooking some of the traditional recipes. So, as you all can see, we used an idiom here, which is 11th hour, which means in the last minute. So, using idioms or less common vocabulary increases our band scores for a lexical resources part. So if you all want to learn more about idioms specifically for IELTS, there are few videos which are already posted on the channel. I'll put a link in the description box below and you can check those out. I'm sure it will be quite helpful for you people. Alright, so let's continue. I was reluctant in the beginning and was not sure if I would be able to aid her in making the authentic cuisines as I had never done it before. So reluctant means unwilling. Also, instead of using the same word like dishes or cooking, we are using a lot of good and advanced vocabulary here like authentic, cuisines, recipes, traditional, and all these will enhance our band scores for a lexical resources part. Alright, so let's continue. However, she instilled me with confidence and was providing detailed instructions, informing me about the ingredients along with the measurements, and I diligently followed everything in the pressurizing scenario. So, diligently means accurately, and instilled means to inculcate or to fill you up with confidence. So you can add all of these words to your vocabulary list as well, and next time when you are practicing speaking you can use it in your conversation as well. So we answered the first 3 questions, which is who is this person, what they inspired you to do, and how they inspired you. The last question, which is how you feel, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, the guests arrived and they all loved the authentic curry that I cooked and even complimented me for the same. I felt like I was on cloud 9 and was able to overcome the culinary fear that I possessed initially and express my gratitude towards my mother for mentoring me and inculcating positivity in me. So, as you all can see, there is an idiom which we used here, which is was on cloud nine, which simply means to be extremely happy. You must have noticed that we used a lot of connectors here, like moreover, additionally, furthermore, finally, and all these will enhance our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button.